Kulish wini figuro kane kolong ka kimpen tip sepang ki kubor like kam na ka banta kitu kiba don kam mo jangan play kane ka kubor ko banta kasni walk in interview application are invited from the eligible candidate domicile of West Khasi Hill district only kane ladap mention ang ne mo tang ya kiba na po West Khasi Hill district only mo kimla kiba nambar jongga district West Khasi Hill kimla ban apply mo to attend the walk-in interview to be held on 12 May kat artrik jongmei RJFR from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. 10 baje hadu 100 baje janmit at the office of the undersigned for the following posts which are purely on contractual basis ma kan mau kan ka post kadai contract basis under MOVCDNER scheme kadai contract basis ma kan mau tang na po west film like submit pok office jong ka horticulture po west kan mau application can apply on standard form filamen tit ka standard form na yo attached with all relevant document submit lang baro document gibran kam and should reach the office of the undersigned on or before 27 April arp new tarik hal ne shwaga arp new tarik April RJFR ka post ma post field inspector 10 number shipotli post field inspector sun number namta motion road cluster 5 number for motor ration cluster dua shipotli sun namta motion road mat sun namta motor ration educational qualification then pass SSLC pass class 12 fair understanding about organic farming preferably with post qualification work experience of 1 year can come prefer yaki beladon work experience she's name understanding about organic farming candidate should be having basic computer knowledge given done basic computer knowledge fixed salary of rupees 6,000 only per month 2000 shimnei kan siu pass class 12 dependon kajing tip pangi organic farming come prefer yaki beladon experience candidate should be having basic computer knowledge given done computer knowledge tanggi na yaki nyup tip kulejuan